Welcome to our third comforting recipe. This is a beautiful rustic dish that brings the warmth of a country kitchen straight to you. Recently, there has been a huge trend online featuring quick stir fries. Dishes made fresh, fast, and served piping hot. Full of that wonderful smoky wok essence. And if we are talking about the absolute peak of this style, it has to be the authentic Asian water-sprayed egg stew. I have shared variations of this cozy meal before, but many of you asked for a simpler, more accessible version. So today, we are going to walk through it step by step. I have adapted this recipe to perfectly suit a Western pantry. The traditional version from overseas often uses a mix of duck eggs and chicken eggs. Duck eggs yield a richer, deeper flavor, giving it a distinct regional profile. However, duck eggs can be too gamey for some palates, especially for young children or sensitive stomachs. So today, we are keeping it incredibly clean using only chicken eggs. The method is foolproof and completely odor-free, but the savory taste is phenomenal. Even a complete beginner can master this comfort food on the first try. Start with high-quality farm fresh eggs. If you are using large duck eggs, you would need 6. Since standard chicken eggs are smaller, -1 eggs will give us the perfect volume for this stew. Crack them all into a large, sturdy mixing bowl. Take a whisk and beat them vigorously until totally uniform. Do not add any water or seasonings at this stage. Just pure eggs. Set the bowl aside for a moment. The secret to this dish lies in selecting the right cookware. You want a skillet with high walls like a deep sauté pan. Cast iron or a quality non-stick pan both work wonderfully. A deep pan prevents any oil splatters and distributes heat evenly, ensuring the eggs stay silky and intact. And the final presentation is beautiful. Pour a tablespoon of olive oil into your pan. Once shimmering, add a generous spoonful of minced garlic. Sauté on low heat until the garlic becomes fragrant and golden. Once the garlic is toasted, pay close attention to this tip. You must turn the burner off completely. Now stir in some fresh julienned ginger and a pinch of chili powder. Let the residual heat gently toast the spices, releasing their essential oils and deep aromas. Never toast delicate spices on a high flame. High heat will scorch the chili, making it bitter and completely ruining the comforting flavor of the broth. With the aromatics perfectly toasted, pour in some fresh filtered water. Getting the liquid ratio right is critical here. You want exactly 20% more water than egg volume. Too little liquid, and the eggs become rubbery and dry. Too much liquid, and the dish turns bland, losing that hearty richness. Seasoning this broth is incredibly simple. We want the natural ingredients to shine. Add a sprinkle of sea salt for balance, a dash of 5-spice powder to elevate the aroma, and a splash of light soy sauce for a beautiful umami kick. Give everything a gentle stir with your spatula, ensuring the spices dissolve completely into the liquid. Now turn the burner back to high and bring the broth to a boil. As soon as the liquid is aggressively bubbling, shut the heat off. quickly grab your bowl of perfectly beaten eggs and pour them entirely into the hot broth all at once. Immediately take a pair of chopsticks and swirl rapidly. You want the raw eggs to fold directly into the seasoned water. This technique ensures every single ounce of egg absorbs the rich broth, resulting in incredibly flavorful bites. Once it is completely mixed, turn the burner back to medium-low. Place the lid on the pan and let it simmer for exactly 6 minutes. Slow, gentle cooking is the key to that silky melt in your mouth texture. Aggressive heat will cause the eggs to bubble up and turn spongy, losing their delicate nature. When the 6 minutes are up, carefully remove the lid. A cloud of incredible savory steam will greet you. It smells exactly like a rustic farmhouse kitchen in autumn. To finish, scatter a handful of fresh chopped scallions over the top. Use your spatula to slice the fluffy egg cake into neat little squares. This lets the savory juices seep in and makes it easy to serve. And there you have it, our elevated healing water sprayed egg stew is ready. Using chicken eggs means there is absolutely zero gaminess, just pure comforting warmth. It is incredibly fragrant, far superior to a standard baked egg custard. This stew is infused with toasted garlic, a gentle hum of chili, and rich soy notes. The texture is bouncy yet deeply hydrating, firm enough to hold its shape, but incredibly soft. The anti-inflammatory broth is so nourishing. It is absolute heaven spooned over a bowl of hot quinoa or rice. A simple, honest countryside recipe packed with clean protein. It warms the soul and delights the taste buds, and requires barely any effort to make. If you enjoyed this wholesome family recipe, please leave a quick like on the video. Your support means the world to our small channel. This egg stew is pure comfort food. Before we cook our final harvest green recipe, let me share a brilliant kitchen secret to help you reduce household waste. These clever little tricks will save you money and make your time in the kitchen so much easier.